Hey everyone, so today we're diving into Notion, the all-in-one productivity app that can help you stay organized, manage tasks, and even collaborate on projects. So if you're a beginner on iPhone or Android, this video will take you through the essentials so you can start using Notion like a pro. So let's get started. First up, let's open Notion. So if you're new, you'll need to sign up using an email or Google account. Notion offers both free and paid versions, but don't worry, the free plan has plenty of features that you can try. So, once you're logged in, you'll see the main workspace. So, first thing that we're going to cover is getting to know the workspace. So, here's the home screen. This is the Notion's workspace. Might look like a little empty at first, but don't worry, this blank canvas lets you build a setup that's perfect for you. So at the bottom of your screen, you'll see the home icon, which takes you back to your home main pages. And then there's also search bar at the top, which helps you to find any notes or pages that you create. So now, let's create your very first page. So what you're gonna do is just tap on the plus icon in the bottom right. So this page will be your workspace for any notes, to-do lists, or project trackers that you want to add. So let's name this page the Daily Planner. So it's easy to find later. So you'll see a new blank page appear. From here, you can just add anything you want, from simple text to interactive elements like checkboxes and tables. So there's also a Notion everything is organized into blocks. So blocks are the building pieces of your page, and they can be anything from a line of text to an image or a checklist. So to add a block, just tap on an empty area and then start typing. You'll see a plus button on the left side. So just tap that to choose other block types. So let's add a checklist for your daily tasks and a heading for goals. This way, each item you add is a different block, and then giving you flexibility to move, edit, and style each part individually. Now let's cover using templates to get started. So Notion also offers templates that are super helpful for beginners. So templates are pre-built pages that can save you time and show you different ways to organize your pages. So what we're gonna do is just tap on the templates button at the top, and you'll see options like meeting notes, habit tracker, and journal. So let's try adding a habit tracker template. So as you can see, Notion automatically creates a page layout with checklists and tables to track your daily habits. Now you can also customize any of these sections to suit your needs and wants. It's really up to you guys. And then now let's also cover adding and managing databases. So if you're looking to organize larger amounts of information, databases are where Notion really shines. So a database is like a super powered spreadsheet where each entry can hold tons of information, from dates to tags and more. So let's go back to our daily planner page. Just tap on the plus icon and select database. You'll see options for lists, tables, and calendars. So let's just make a table to track tasks for each day. You can add rows for tasks, add a date column, and even include tags for categories like work or personal. This is really great for projects management or keeping track of school assignments. So if you're a student or working, then this is really good for you. Now let's cover navigating and searching pages. So once you have a few pages, you might need to find something quickly. So to do that, just tap on the search bar at the top to look for any page or keyword you've created. So you can also swipe from the left to access the sidebar where all your pages are organized. So just tap on favorite icon on any important page to keep it at the top for easy access. So organizing your pages is easy with the search function and the ability to quickly access favorites. Now let's cover collaborating and sharing pages. So if you're working on a project with others, you can also collaborate right in Notion. So to do that, just tap the share icon in the top right corner of your page to invite others by email or by creating a shareable link. So you can set permissions to allow others to edit or just view the page. Collaboration is seamless, so you and your team can stay on the same page. Whether it's a school project or a shared to-do list, Notion makes collaboration simple and effective. So now let's add some personality to your pages. You can actually customize your Notion pages with cover photos, icons, and different text colors. So just tap on the page title, select Add Cover to upload or choose an image, and add an icon to make each page uniquely yours. So these small touches make your workspace more inviting and help you visually organize different types of pages. Plus, it can help with motivation when you enjoy the look of your workspace. So, Notion isn't just for work or school, it's fantastic for personal projects too. So, whether you want to plan a vacation, track your fitness goals, or even keep a recipe book, Notion can do it all. You can create a separate page for each project and use databases to track your progress. For example, let's create a travel plans page with a checklist of places to visit, accommodation details, and a packing list. And lastly, if you want to supercharge your Notion experience, explore integration with other tools like Google Drive, Trello, or Slack. This can help you pull in information from different sources and streamline for your workflow. So for example, you can embed Google Docs right into your Notion pages for easy access. And integration enhance functionality and make it even easier to manage everything from one platform. Alright, so let's do a recap. Today we covered creating pages, adding different types of blocks, using templates, and organizing with databases, navigating pages, sharing with others, customizing your pages, using Notion for personal projects, and exploring integrations. With just these basics, you'll be well on your way to building your own perfect Notion setup using your mobile device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you get started with Notion on your phone. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Bye!